Hello guys, welcome to my blog. In this blog, we will perform an activity in C Sharp .NET, and we will check if two file is having exactly same data or not. So guys, for this activity, I have placed a 5 file where file 1, 2 and 4 is having exactly same data. So the size of these three file we can say is 27 bytes, and file 5 size is also 27 bytes, but file 5 is having some different data instead of file 1 and 2. See, we will check the difference here. Here you can see the letter A in the last, and in file V the letter A I have replaced it with B. So although the size is same, uh, but the data inside it is basically not same as compared to other. uh, and meanwhile, file 3, the length of this file is smaller than the any other file. So I have kept, and also like the data is also to difference. I have kept this file based on the three scenarios which we will be covering in this session. So guys, this is for this activity I have used Visual Studio, and the language I have used is C Sharp. So basically for this I have created an console application with name as file compare. Here I have created one method file equals. Then I will be passing the physical path of two files. Okay, so the start line here, what I am doing, I am just reading the content of the file into an byte array for the file 1, and same I am doing it for the file 2. Why we are doing it uh, this thing? Because we need data in the byte array, and we need to compare each data in those file one by one with each letter of them, so that we can confirm whether two file is having the same data. So suppose I have converted file 1 into the byte array. So at 0 position we have data 1, at 1 position we have dot. So what I will do, I will compare it with file 2, where this data of file 2 is also having in the byte array. So the 0 compare position of file 2, which is 1, which is will be compared with the file 1 0 position, and that will be same, and we will continue till the end of the data. So this is the procedure we have taken to compare the two files. So but we need to be put one basically check here if the length of those two files is not fail, thus already ensure that two file is not same. So for this condition we will ignore the rest of the code and will return the false. Once this condition is satisfied, then we compare the byte by byte of the two file, and if any of their bytes with their position is not same, we will return the false. If it is happily pass this loop without going into this if condition, it will return the true. So let's do the basically demo. So here for the first I will compare the file 1 and 2. Here I have just hard code the file path of each. So see, I have just converted the file data into the byte array for both the file. You can just check the file path file 2 text 1 file 1.txt, and all file is placed in a folder called data files. So here we know the size of both file is same, so the if block will run. And here, as we already know that I have put the same data in both file, so it will start comparing it. So let's put a debugger here. So see, so both file is having the same data, and console will write the messages file 1 and file 2 are same. And now we will compare the file 3 and file 4, and what it will return, like file 3 and file 4 are not same. I'll just uh, went ahead without going, and let's check it once for you guys. Okay, so here is file 3 and file 4. So I have taken, see, as I told, file 3 is the shortest file among all file. His size is 23 bytes, and his size is, I suppose, 27. So it falls into the if check where the length is not same, and hence it is returning the false. So that is also done. Let's move ahead with the file 4 and file 5. Okay, I'll again just went ahead. Let's go back. See, I'm comparing file 4 and file 5, and we know the length of the file is same, although the data inside is not same. So if check is passed, and it will surely has to go in this if condition, the return false, where see the byte, one of the byte is not same, and safely it is negating that file 4 and file 5 is not same. So guys, this is the thing. I mean, this is the C sharp code which you will use to compare two file. I mean, see, sometimes there is a situation where by naked eye you cannot differentiate whether the two files are same or not. Maybe the file is too big, and one of the other reason is like sometimes there is some hidden space or hidden character in the file which cannot be seen by the naked eyes. So for those scenarios you need to perform this activity, and it is very beneficial. So guys, if you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel and do support us. Thank you guys.